Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable AliExpress mails. Here's how you can disable emails from AliExpress using the AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. You can use any browser of your choice. Once you get into the website, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the website and log in with your credentials. That's if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, hover over the account icon again at the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. Now from this drop-down menu, you have a couple of options including my orders, my coins, message sender, payments, wish list, my coupons, all the way down to accessibility. Now go ahead and click on settings, and that's going to open up the account settings window. In the account settings section, you're going to see a couple of categories here, including personal information, security information, activate email notifications, privacy, safety filter, and social media accounts. Now, I have not activated my email notification. That's why I have the activate hyperlink in here, but let's activate it to see what it looks like. So that's it. I have activated it, and so we have a couple of toggles. So price alerts and reminders, item recommendations, and I have member exclusives, I have sales announcements, I have daily deals, and I have other updates. So I am definitely going to go back to settings, and I'm here. So I'm going to click back on that activate again. So that can take me over here. So for me to disable these emails, all you need to do is to turn the toggle off. So toggle off, toggle off, toggle off, toggle off, toggle off until you're done toggling off everything. Now, once you toggle off everything, it says you will no longer receive other updates. You will lose access to important tracking emails such as package pickup information. Now, once you're sure about this, just go ahead and click on yes. Okay. And once you click on the yes, that's going to be it. Your mails will definitely be disabled. But I'm going to click on the cancel because heck, I don't want everything to be done. But then if you don't want all of them, just go ahead and choose any of them that you want to disable. That's if you don't want to disable all, go ahead and toggle off the one that you want to disable and leave out the rest. But if you want to toggle them all off, toggle them all off and disable everything. And that's it. You will no longer receive any notification from AliExpress. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.